The 3-gun automatic stud welding machine is equipped with a laser to remove the galvanized layer. The laser will remove the galvanized layer of each stud before welding, ensuring the fastness and effect of welding. This 3-gun automatic stud welding machine can weld studs of different specifications on the product at one time. It has high production efficiency and good welding effect. We are the source manufacturer of fully automatic stud welding machines. We can customize all kinds of fully automatic stud welding machines for you. It is widely used in automatic welding of studs in sheet metal parts, chassis cabinets, household appliances, auto parts and other industries. Reduce costs with factory direct sourcing. Low MOQ, OEM, ODM available. Subscribe to our channel for more machine information.